Good morning, friends. Welcome back once again with a very popular house plant, that is money plant or pothos. You get many variants of pothos nowadays: golden pothos, neon pothos, jade green pothos, or marble queen. Many variants are available in the market, and it is very easy to grow plant and very a plant which doesn't require any care. It just grows a beautiful foliage in any corner. It beautifies any corner, and the care requirement is nil. Just you have to water them. See, in such a small pot also I have grown this golden pothos. Golden pothos growing in a very small container. If you want to make it bushy, friends, keep on cutting it. New stems will come up. This is my neon pothos in a hanging basket. I have made it bushy by chopping off. If you cut off the tips, the last 3 or 4 leaves, if you cut off the tips, you can new shoots will come up and your plant will grow bushy. And the shoots that you cut can be kept in water. They will grow nice roots. And a new plant, if you want, you can grow a new plant or continue growing in this water. See how beautiful the root system has developed, and this plant has grown into a healthy plant. If you grow in water, you can keep it any corner, because the plant size also will be small and leaf size also will be small. You can keep it on, you can use it as a tabletop centerpiece or any corner piece. Just it can add greenery and nature to any corner if you keep it in a bottle. Here, this golden pothos also in very small pot I have grown. While potting it, if you give a nice potting mix, you have no need to worry about fertilization also. This is a jade green pothos which I am growing in water. I keep on trimming it so that it doesn't grow long, because jade green pothos grows very fast. It grows very fast, so you have to keep on trimming it, and I keep on trimming it to maintain a small and compact size, using it as a centerpiece on a corner table. And when you trim it, new shoots will start coming, new growth will come, and your plant will look bushy. That is how you make your money plant bushy. When you chop off the tip, last 3, see how new growth has come. The lower leaf, new branch will start growing. So instead of 1 branch, you will have 2 branches. Like that you go on trimming your money plant, and it grows bushy and gives a nice bushier look. You can grow your money plant on moss stick also. While growing on moss stick, you try to take 4 or 5 plants and plant them in a round way in the pot and take it round on the moss stick. It will give a very beautiful look and it beautifies your surroundings. The main thing about money plant is it absorbs the toxins in the air. Not only beautifying, it absorbs toxins and it is considered as an oxygen plant by NASA. It gives out more oxygen. So you can try growing money plant. But one thing, try to keep it away from the reach of children and pets, because pothos contains calcium oxalate, which if ingested can cause diarrhea and poisoning in small kids and pets. So if you have pets, keep, and small children, keep out of reach of small kids. This is my marble queen grow. Marble queen is a slow grower, but it has a very beautiful leaf structure, white and green combination. So it is one variant which grows beautifully, but you will not have a very big plant. You will have a nice small cute plant, and you can plant it in a small container, and it keeps on growing slowly and steadily. That's how it grows. Whenever you have a long stem, try to cut it, and for last 3-4 leaves you can cut and put it in water. In 2-3 weeks it will grow nice roots in water. Then you can plant it in the soil. What soil mix you should take, I have already made a video. You can check on that. I have made a detailed video about the soil mix that is suitable for money plant or pothos. I will leave the link in the I button. Please do watch it. It is a very detailed video. So you can cut the stems and put it in water. See how in 2 weeks nice roots have developed. And if you can see only 3 leaves, upper 3 leaves I have taken, and nice roots have developed, new growth is coming in the stem. That means this plant is ready. If you want to plant it in the soil, you can plant it now. It will grow into a beautiful plant. Like this, you can cut stems and keep on propagating and adding to your pot, so that your pot becomes bushy, your pot becomes full. Or you can continue growing in water like this. But if you keep on propagating like this, small stems, and adding to your pot becomes very nice. And this is the used tea leaves that I give to my money plant. A very freely available used tea leaves, which I dry on a newspaper for 1 week. I will dry. It should be dry completely. If there is any moisture left, your plant will catch fungus. So be very careful. Dry it completely. Wash it thoroughly. Dry it completely before giving to your plants. This is very rich in nitrogen, which helps growth of your foliage plants. It is very good for your money plant. And another fertilizer that I give is onion peel fertilizer. This onion peel fertilizer, only 5 ml I will mix in 1 liter water, and water my pothos with this. This is full of potassium and micronutrients, which helps my money plant to grow healthy and grow nice green foliage. So this is how I fertilize my money plant. And when it comes to watering, if you are growing on a moss stick, pour water on the moss stick, so that the leaves that are surrounding the moss sticks absorb water from the moss stick and grow nice and bushy and green. So whenever you are growing money plant on a moss stick, pour water on the moss stick also, apart from pouring while watering the plant. And another way that I water my money plant is, I will mix I will give a nice bath, nice shower to my money plants once in a month, by mixing 1 spoon of Epsom salt in 5 liters of water. Only 1 spoon Epsom salt and 5 liters of water can give a nice wash to all my money plants. This Epsom salt helps your plant to absorb micronutrients from the soil, which will help it to develop nice foliage. Okay friends, thank you, bye bye for now, stay connected.